running LDPlayer on a low-end PC, and it's super slow, laggy, or barely usable. Yeah, don't worry, you can still optimize it. Let's fix it. First, check virtualization. This is the biggest performance boost even on weak systems. Enable Intel VTX or AMD in your BIOS. Next, don't overallocate resources. Set CPU cores to 2 and RAM to around 2 to 4 gigabytes for better stability. Lower your display settings inside LDPlayer. Use a lower resolution and DPI to improve performance. Don't push high FPS on a low-end PC. Set it to 30 or 40 for smoother performance. Switch to a lighter graphics engine. Try OpenGL or DirectX and pick the smoother one. Turn on performance mode. This prioritizes speed over visual quality. Free up every bit of RAM you can. Close browsers, games, and unnecessary programs. Reduce system load from startup apps. Disable apps you don't need running in the background. Heavy games will always struggle. Use light versions or lower in-game graphics settings. So lower your settings, free up resources, and don't push your system too hard. That's how you make LDPlayer run smoothly, even on a low-end PC in 2026.